wettest channel on the internet.
And we're back, and this is part 3. And if you guys saw part 1 and 2, you notice we launched the big hydro here at Haulover and spent the night at the beautiful Birken Island. And even though the weatherman said it was going to be cloudy, but we woke up to a beautiful day and headed over to the Sandbar to find a good spot next to Aquatic Flavors. And shortly after that, all my boating friends showed up and we all tied up together.
They got me working. Working on your day off? Working on my day off.
And from there, we headed over to Aquatic Flavor and met up with Two Nice and the rest of the crew, and we got the party started.
Oh yeah, DJ Smiley, international DJ, rocking out here in the Sandbar.
Even though the tide was high and the sand never came out, we still had a great time. Such a great time that people were dancing on their boats and even on their paddleboard. And after having some fun in the sun, we picked up and headed over back to the boat. And actually, Cito and Two Nice didn't want to get wet, so they hitched a ride from the paddleboarder.
They don't want to get wet.
And we're back where we left off. Made it back to the boat without getting wet. And now it's time to keep having fun in the sun with the rest of the friends here at Haulover Sandbar. And talking about friends, we met some new ones.
Fresco Channel, hotter than the sun. What's up, everybody? Who's that? Boom shakalaka. ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda? ¿Qué vuelta? ¿Qué vuelta y qué onda? Para la vuelta. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a Sandbar Light Fresco Channel drink. Boom. With ¿Qué onda? Mark. Mark, what they do?
Gotta get back to work.
Yo, he rode this from Costa Rica all the way to the Miami Sandbar.
Perfect weather.
What up, what up? We here on Fresco Channel. Fresco Channel, what up?
Yeah.
We out here. We out here. Okay, what's going on over here? What we talking about? Are y'all taking over the world? Are y'all taking over the world? What's in that drink? Vodka. What's in that drink? You sure it's not Gatorade?
You wanna try?
Down. Okay, ready? Here we go. That's one drink. Okay, another drink. Give me the other one. Oh, I'm gonna get drunk. I'm gonna get drunk. Whoop, whoop. What time is it?
It's sausage time, baby, at the Sandbar.
Well, like you see, so far so good. Everybody's having a great time. But the best time of the day is coming right now, because it's sausage time, baby. And it doesn't get better than this, barbecuing with a view. And I gotta say it one more time, I love to see people enjoy themselves and have fun in the sun. And another good thing about the boating community, it's always good to share the food. And here we go to answer a question that I think I did before. People ask me, do I ever get tired of going on the boat, going to the Sandbar? And this is the answer. No, I could do this every weekend or even every day. To me, this is paradise on earth. And nope, we don't got no fat ones today. We got plenty of skinny ones. And if you're liking the video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting the channel and watching our first video, well, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Like that, you won't miss nothing else in the future. And also don't forget to share it with your boating buddies. And you can find us on all social media platforms.
It's official, the beginning of spring break 2022. We're gonna do it right. A little Pueb Rosé. You're gonna see we ain't playing around. We're gonna do it all the way, baby. You ready? I want everybody watching this right now. If you're a big fan of Ice Rosé, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Let's go. It's official. Thing on here. Should I do it? We have to fast forward it. My hands are wet. My hands are wet. There it goes. Whoa.
And you just said you can have all the drinks you want. I just want those sausages.
Now there's 3. Yeah, it's all done.
Well, like you see, guys, the day turned out to be great, and you can't be at a better place than haulover Sandbar. So, if you're planning to come visit South Florida, make sure to come hang out at haulover Sandbar, because rain or shine, you can always find people here hanging out having a great time, just like us today. And also, I would like to say hello to all the fans that watched the channel and attended the Sandbar party and said hello to us.
Sandbar, you already know. Sandbar Life, Fresco Channel, Nasty Rockers. This is the official Sandbar Instagram. Alright, you guys already follow P.o Box, you already follow Fresco Channel. Follow us on Sandbar Life on Instagram. We got the Pueb Click Cult. We're celebrating spring break. One more game, baby, let's go. Download our song, Sandbar Life. Hey!
Well, you already know the day is hot enough even to take a shot. Well, and the party don't stop, no matter what time it is. And talking about time, I say let's do a Sandbar Life t-shirt contest. Now we're gonna see who looks better on, the girls or Doobie. Mind you, he wanted to challenge the girls, and I say I think it's uneven because it's 3 against 1. What do you guys think? And you guys watching are gonna be the judge. So go ahead on the comments, put Doobie for him and put the girls for the girls, see who looks better, and let's see who wins. So you think the girls have a chance, or maybe Doobie does? I don't know. We'll soon find out when everybody comments. on the contest. Because I already did it on Instagram, and on Instagram, Doobie won. What do you guys think about that? Do you think he could beat them again? I don't know. I guess we'll see and find out. We'll let the contest run until tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know on the community post on YouTube. Alright guys, so this was another fun in the sun Sandbar life party here at Haulover, even though the Sandbar is not the same, but the fun still is. So if you didn't make it to this one, make sure to follow us on Instagram or Facebook, or check on YouTube community posts for the next one. We're gonna have more events coming up, and they could be on the water or maybe even on land. But now we're gonna pick up anchor and untie from our friends and start heading out. And it's always a pleasure sharing the good times with you guys out on the water. And when you're pulling out away from your friends or other boaters that you're tied with, it's a good thing to distinguish which way the current is going, like that you don't run into them. And be careful with their anchor rope. Have your passenger help you out by taking a look in the water. Make sure you don't run them over, because you could cut the rope off, or if they have a chain, you could tangle it up with your propeller, break your hub, or shut the engine down. And definitely you don't want to end up your day like this. So take your time and be careful in pulling out.
So it's been a minute since I've been on this channel, and of course we had another Sandbar party, and like the end of every video, we have fun in the sun. And what do you say? To another great day? What is it?
Another great day.
Another great day. Fun in the sun. Be safe out there. Enjoy your spring break, guys.